So, guys, let's all move to the funniest results of them all. Brighton actually won against Arsenal. Would you believe that? Brighton won 2-1 against
Yeah,
Arsenal.
for sure we believed it.
Yeah. Not surprising at all, bro.
Really.
I mean, they have fallen. How far have they fallen?
They have
I think
40
Mope
points
deserves
right
a
now. They are-
statue
they're
outside the
10th
Amex
place.
Stadium.
Acha, what do you all think? What do you all think about Mope's alleged
So poor.
hitting or
Yeah, so
literally fouling Burn Leno?
Don't think that was a foul. I mean,
Yeah,
I
intentional.
I think it was a foul, but
I think,
bro,
yeah, I think it was definitely a foul, but I can guarantee if this ball would have been the same way near the 6-yard box, Leno would have come up with his knees high. Here, since it was at the edge of the D, he had to be more cautious, and his landing was poor. So I don't get it how you can blame the attacker. The attacker will run for a 50% ball, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
doing that he can use his knees and jump has that advantage. But it was just poor landing by Leno.
Yeah,
I think it was a foul, but I don't think we should blame Mope for it. I don't think he meant it.
Yeah.
It's a contact sport,
Yeah.
so you are going to get injured. And people are going to make mistakes for your injuries, but I don't think we should blame Mope for it. And
Manan,
that
you were saying ki
I
that
don't think it was Leno's fault either, bro. How can he know how to land, bro? His legs were
उसका landing
tangled up
अबे,
with
I'm
the air,
telling you,
यार.
he was at the D, so he had to be careful. He's on the D.
Bro, there's nothing either of probably Mope should
you all
have
are-
done, but bro,
so you all are saying ki it's
It
down
was-
to it's more down to the way him landing and not the way Mope say pushed him whatever. he-
no, see, it was a foul, but it wasn't like a
Yeah, it was a
career-ending
foul, yeah.
challenge.
Correct,
Or like,
yeah.
I don't think he meant anything cynical for
Yeah.
And bro, I to feel ki the Lacazette challenge was worse than what
exactly. Lacazette also, bro, Lacazette or Ryan was worse, I think, actually.
yeah. Not two-footed, but bro, that was very reckless.
Yeah.
Do you all think when
But-
he should be banned?
Yeah,
Who?
I mean,
What?
whatever
For the
for the
For the choke.
chokesy or bro,
Oh,
I
yeah, definitely.
I don't think he should be
Definitely.
banned.
Bro, I
Bro,
mean-
बहुत होता है यार.
bro, my
Bro, it
point
happens
is,
a lot, but I
Games,
think
yeah.
see, listen, what I'm trying to say is that, bro, if you have showed the same passion he showed in that instant moment in the game, they would have actually had
Exactly.
that would have been
Yeah.
better.
Of the
I mean,
couldn't do anything.
No, yaar. Abhi, Guendouzi is the only one who shows passion. Every year,
Bro,
else
I
is
think,
it.
but he plays for the camera a lot, I feel.
bro,
Guendouzi.
Arsenal,
Yeah,
bro,
yeah.
if you look at
Guendouzi
Arsenal's
does a lot
team-
of stuff for camera.
bro, look at the
Yeah.
there's no character. They don't have characters in their team. I mean, there is no passion in the team.
Really, I was
Actually,
seeing this on Football Preview. Like, you're looking and you're seeing Aubameyang as your captain. Aubameyang is certainly not a captain. So when anyone is messing up and anyone needs that leadership, there's no one to look at. So like the entire team is only in such maze, and in their own, they have zero leadership. And it was a very strong statement. Arteta came and said, "We don't compete." He came out and said that Arsenal don't compete.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
This is,
I don't know
this
how.
is
the-
unverified, please. If this is
this.
fake, please don't blame us for it. This is Dino's personal views.
No, he said it. He
ये
said
है, अबे
He
ये
said
है
it.
press conference में.
He said it post-match press conference. He
And-
said ki our team has a lot of young players, but still there's no excuse for
Yeah,
not
it's
competing. And
Bro, it's too poor, bro. Everything is poor. That defense is.
Oh my
Manan
god!
Manan
Don't
could
start.
genuinely defend better, bro. I
Don't
can't.
start, don't start.
There's no point in talking about it. This is every week ka thing, bro.
Yeah,
We come
really.
here
So it's like, yeah.
Next week
The
I'll
thing
be
is
talking
that
the same thing.
even though this is every week, let's talk about, even though no matter what's said and done, Arsenal have what? Wolves left. They have what? Chelsea left. They have Spurs left. They have
Yeah, very
Liverpool
tough
left as well.
fixtures.
Yeah, they've got a
Leicester.
very tough
They
fixture.
have
So they-
mad fixtures.
They have the
Leicester
toughest fixtures.
they have Leicester left. They have Southampton away
Bro,
left.
and mind well, they are at 40 points and they are 10th place. There's a good chance they might finish in the bottom half of the table.
Crystal Palace
Yeah,
went up of
I
them also with 42. If Burnley. Who?
Burnley is 39.
Burnley
If they won't beat
Ah.
City, so I don't
they
think
need to
they
beat
go.
City. But anyway.
And tough fixtures in the sense like now Arsenal, they're going into whichever game, every team is expecting to pick up points from them.
Yeah,
Like,
true.
there's-
Yeah.
So no one is considering them only to be a threat. Everyone is, if there's a draw, it's going to be points dropped.
Yeah, this is what DT said from Arsenal Fan TV.
Yeah,
Every year, looking
yeah.
at Arsenal are going like, yeah, 3 points for us, we can go.
Yeah.
And I think that's true, bro.
That's fair
That
enough.
defense is
That's
genuinely, bro, it's shambolic, that defense. You
Bro,
can't.
all of you all tell me, bro.
Everyone will get joy playing against them.
Bro, if you stand in a tunnel next to them, I mean, obviously, you can't because of COVID and all. But bro, if you stand in a tunnel next to an Arsenal team, bro, who will you see? There's no fear in the Arsenal team. There is no character. I'm telling you also in the
It's
first
nothing. It's nothing.
Apart from
There's
Aubameyang, yeah,
no
agree.
factor, bro. I mean, apart from Aubameyang, Aubameyang also.
No, even Oba,
it's
I'm
shocking.
finding is he played okay, so he played decently well against Brighton, but in general, like I'm not seeing so.
Bro, but you can't blame Aubameyang too much because he's not getting any service as well. I mean, even
No, but-
against the City game, he was so
Are you
frustrated.
saying it from a leadership point of view or a player point of view?
I'm saying it from a leadership point of view that Arsenal needs to have some sort of. They need a dressing room where they need leaders in the dressing room, and that is
Like someone to point out mistakes,
Yeah.
someone to come up.
I mean, key to success is a good dressing room where people are leaders. Like you need someone to organize the team in the match, bro. There's no one. They can't see. You can't look up to
Ozil
anyone.
But at the
has
same
given
time,
up. It's crazy.
you need to look at the dilemma Arsenal are in right now. I mean, who will actually come to Arsenal at this point of time?
No, bro. There are
Yeah, that's-
several players that would come to
I don't think they have a
It's
problem
better.
with
Bro,
that.
No,
Arsenal
why
is
would you?
still not a bad. Bro, if for Zaha, for example, he would rather play for Arsenal than he would for Crystal Palace.
But
And it's
Zaha's not the
that-
kind of signing that's going to take Arsenal forward in the long term.
I
Like,
know,
even
I
if
know, but
Zaha
the thing
comes-
is, it's still a attractive enough club for players.
Yeah,
to
yeah,
go. Probably
fair enough,
not.
yeah.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
Go ahead. You
And
can say it's
especially
attractive for
with
players. That's
Arteta.
fine. But will leaders come here? Would leaders actually want to come here?
Bro,
No.
the thing
No.
is with
I don't
leaders
think
is
leaders is
you
I'm
have
not
to
saying
make
they need
leaders.
to buy leaders.
Like, you
I'm
have to
saying
make
they
leaders.
need-
Yeah, exactly.
Obviously, you need
can't-
to make leaders,
They
but
need
look
to
at them.
have it, and they
Look
need
at them.
passion.
Who's among that dressing room or even among the youth who would actually
Yeah.
stand up and say, "Look, Arsenal, this is wrong. All this is wrong. We need to actually get our shit together." Who is there? I mean,
I
no
think the
one else
closest
is there.
person they have to a leader is Guendouzi. I
No.
think
I
But
think
Guendouzi's what
Not
80?
Allen.
No, bro.
See, I mean, I think for
Fine.
some sort, I agree with Sej because I mean, you look at the way he reacted after the game. So there is
Yeah, and Guendouzi stands up for his teammates. He shows passion in the game. He's not the greatest player, but he's definitely the most passionate
yeah.
out of the entire Arsenal team by far.
But what I
Agreed,
was
yeah.
saying is that in that particular game, Guendouzi didn't have that kind of an impact or that kind of a passionate response in the game which he should have. And looking forward, I think Arsenal needs a major overhaul in the squad.
Yeah, this is a
Bro, what
So
they
very-
need is quite
it's very
simple. They need their
unrealistic.
owner to pump in money.
They need
That's
their
it. If the
Yeah.
if the
it's
owner's
not-
not gonna put in money, they're not going anywhere forward.
It's the
It's
owner as
clear
well as
that.
a recruitment, bro.
The recruitment
is
Yeah.
good.
Bro, I mean, Cedric Suarez hasn't played a game and he was bought in January signing. being
Yeah.
injured.
Yeah.
Bro,
Even
I
that-
And he's
Bro,
already ready to leave. He's already ready to
He's
go
ready
back
to leave,
to
exactly. So
Southampton.
there is big question marks regarding recruitment.
Tough.
Do you think
It's very tough.
Arteta will have a major dip in his career because of Arsenal? Like,
Nah,
I feel his
first
his
career's
job,
not even
yeah,
started.
yeah, it's not. He's
yeah, it's
barely
not
started.
started. But exactly, he shouldn't be like a Henry. Everyone has having expectations. Assistant coach of Belgium now comes to Monaco and then they get relegated. So, you know, I'm
Bro,
not
I
saying
think-
Arsenal get relegated, but it's been, I don't
Monaco
think
didn't
it's
get
the right club for Arteta.
I think
I mean,
Arteta
shout,
had to take the
but-
job, bro. He had to. He's
Yeah.
been a legend there. He's played there, so he had to take the job. So I don't blame him for it, but I do
Yeah, I
feel
don't
bad for
blame
him.
him for sure. Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
think.
Yeah, I see.
Bro,
He's
he
getting
can't-
enough
you
support
can't do
from-
anything with it. No one can do anything
Oui.
about this team.
Bro, I mean, as
And
you
he's
look
not
at
get
it,
any-
you see, Oli got the job for United, Frank got the job. So it's like an offer you can't turn down because it's like you're a
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boyhood club.
You
Yeah.
can't
That's like
turn
a
it out.
once
Even
in a
You can't
lifetime
Frank
refuse
said
that
offer.
offer. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that
I agree with what
he
Seth
probably
said.
wanted to stay at Derby, but
Yeah.
he left because it was Chelsea. He would not left for
Exactly.
any other club in the world.
Exactly.
Agreed.
So
You
I
have
don't think
to.
Arteta has chosen wrong in Arsenal, but what I feel is the Arsenal is letting him down as a coach. I mean, I think I can see that what he's trying to do, as Shastri said in the last game, like you can see what he's trying to do. He just doesn't have the right personnel to implement his game plan, which is why I feel they need
And-
all this summer.
But then I
And
don't
for
agree
us-
with that statement saying he doesn't have the personnel. Like, if you judge Lampard in terms of the squad he inherited this season, anyone, like I'm sure every one of you predicted
no,
Chelsea to
no.
not finish in the top 6 this season. I actually remember a tweet from Jaden saying they'll be lucky if they finish in the top 10.
Dino
I'm like,
Cycle. Dino Cycle
it's-
has said they won't finish
Yeah.
in the top half.
That's what I'm saying. It's all down to the manager because you've got plenty
True,
of
bro.
resources at a football club. You've got the
True,
entire
but-
academy
Yeah.
to pick out talent, to nurture them, to instill that mentality you want them to play with. I don't think it's only down to the squad you get because end of the day, they still have a 70 million Nicolas Pepe. They still have a world-class striker in Aubameyang. They have a 50 million striker in Lacazette. I mean, they do have the Scottish Premier League's best left back in Tierney. They do have a good goalkeeper in Leno. So I think it's more down to mentality and the fact that they've just forgotten about what a win is like. I mean, they don't go
Everything
into
you're
games.
saying makes
Their
sense.
dressing room
But bro, the thing
atmosphere is
is,
so poor.
the way they're losing games is not anything to like. It has somewhat to do with tactics, but bro, they're losing games because of individuals' mistakes.
Yeah.
You
That's what I'm
can't
saying.
You can't
Like,
blame
you can't
Arteta on-
eradicate that. If a player is mistake prone, he will make mistakes. There's nothing you could do about it.
Bro, I mean,
Yeah.
a good example
So
of this
Jordi,
is good example of this is Mourinho. Bro, Mourinho had a perfect game plan against United, but then again it was down to Dyer making an individual mistake, which is out of the hand of the manager.
No, I don't agree that individual mistakes are out of a manager's hands because when does an individual make silly mistakes? When his concentration is not full, when he isn't in top of his confidence. So if he's not on top of his confidence, it's your job to get him there or replace him with a player who has it.
No, I don't agree with that at all, bro. If you look at players like Mustafi, he has all the confidence in the world to do whatever he wants. He takes the ball and he starts walking with like he's a great
Yeah,
world-class
he steps
playmaker.
onto midfield
But
for
it's
no
not about
reason. Yeah,
confidence. It's just they just aren't good enough. The quality
Exactly.
is not there.
And
But
that's
then
what
you
I
would
say.
have bro, you would have said that for Chelsea as well before the start of the season that they're not good enough. And like no one knew that Fikayo
No.
Tomori is going to turn out the way he did, or Mason
No, but
Mount
I
would
don't
turn out the
think
way in the.
Chelsea's defenders are mistake prone as much as Arsenal and Spurs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Bro,
I think-
Arsenal has a pitara of bad defenders. That's the reality.
Actually,
what-
bro, you pick
What
you
Jill
whichever.
trying to say
You
is,
look one after another. You look at Mustafi, who's Mustafi's replacement is Socrates, and none of them mistake. Bro, it's the fact of the matter. It's nothing to laugh, bro. I mean, it's actually very. I mean, if I was an Arsenal fan, I would be cursing myself. I mean, have you seen a lot of tweets saying,
Bro, I'm definitely not
Yeah,
saying that they have very good players. They do not have them, but I do feel Arteta can do better than what he's doing because I feel like
I think what Jeet is trying to say is that at the start of the season, you wouldn't consider Chelsea to be this better than Arsenal or Arsenal to be this worse than Chelsea. They were
Yeah.
pretty much the same on paper and everything. Like you wouldn't see such a big difference in the
but
style.
bro, you're forgetting that he got the job.
He just got the job, bro.
Just
He-
got the
midway.
job.
No, I'm not blaming Arteta.
Yeah.
I'm not blaming Arteta. I'm just saying in general Arsenal.
yeah, Arsenal should have
Yeah,
done
yeah.
better in general,
There's-
irrespective of the
see,
manager.
Arsenal as a football team
Yeah.
has no hiding away. They have nowhere to hide. But we're just saying that Arteta
As a club also, bro.
as a club, sorry, exactly.
Yeah.
As a club, they have nowhere to hide. But what we're saying is Arteta, there was some sort of an improvement when he came in, and it's all down to the mentality of the players and the quality of the players, which is letting Arteta down and overall the club down.
So, guys,
See,
what do you
and
think
for-
would be a actual solution for Arsenal then?
Bro, it's a
A complete overall. There's nothing else they can
Oh,
do.
bro, that's
Liquidate.
tough.
How will
Generally,
they
nothing
do,
else
how
they
will they
can
do
do.
an overall? Think of it. How will they do an overall?
Bro,
They have to, bro.
How?
There's no
How?
option.
Bro, no
How
one
do
is
you,
willing to
bro?
come.
Lewis
No
Dunk,
one is willing
one
to
second.
come.
Lewis
Only
Dunk
youth.
will definitely come to Arsenal. Tyrone
Okay.
Mings will be open to come
Yeah.
to Arsenal. There are thousands of
Wilfried
players in the
Zaha,
Premier League itself who wouldn't mind coming to
Why
Arsenal. bro.
Arsenal, though?
Arsenal
Why
is a big
Arsenal?
club. Because Arsenal is a big club. Bro,
Bro,
obviously you
compared
would
to
rather
the
be in
clubs
Arsenal.
There's
like
no
Brighton
Champions
and-
League. There's no
But
Europa League.
Jaden,
What
but
are you
Jaden-
coming for? You
Jaden-
probably come.
Bro,
Jaden to
Bro,
Brighton relegated हो रही है.
Brighton is
Yeah,
Even
relegated.
if they're getting
They'll definitely
relegated,
come to
fine.
Arsenal.
A relegation.
And there are
defender,
several-
fine. Take in a relegation defender, but in my opinion, they can't get big players to come to their club.
But bro, I
They
think they can
got
still
Pepe
get
to come.
good players, even if they're
Pepe
not big
was
players.
last season, obviously.
So, bro, last season also Arsenal were at the same position out of
They
in
were
the
in
Europa
tenth.
League.
They weren't there.
I mean,
Yeah,
see,
but-
they make a difference.
They need
The
a
points tally
combination
might
of
be
two
the
same
same.
things.
boat only.
They need money and good use of it. That's the only solution. If
Yeah,
that
but
doesn't
And
happen,
I think Ulta Arsenal is
Going
more
down.
attractive now with Mikel Arteta in it.
Is it too late to ring
Yeah.
the bell there?
We'll have to cut this part out.
then what
Arey,
we say.
okay, Arey, it's fine, yeah.
So,
Uh,
no, what I was saying, continue. This week's So what I feel is the only positive I see right now in Arsenal is their youngsters, because they actually
Yeah,
some sort
exactly. This is what I was saying.
Yeah, they've got a good bunch of youngsters.
so that's something
That
they
is
can build on.
the
That's something they
yeah.
can build on, and then combine that with quality experienced players, which is going to be
Yeah.
given the
Bro, I think rather than going for players abroad who are highly rated, they should definitely look into the Premier League itself and go for
Yeah,
the
Agree.
Premier League
Agree.
underrated players. Bro.
Because then
There are
that-
several players who could do a
then
better
the
job for Arsenal than
yeah,
Arsenal.
the adaptation phase also gets out of the park. Like you cut that, so that
Yeah.
comes
Yeah.
faster
Bro,
to
if you're
integrate
a
them.
proven Premier League player, you can definitely make the step up from a Brighton to an Arsenal.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's definitely
I
a step
think-
up. Bro.
Yeah,
Definitely
from
a step
Brighton,
up.
obviously.
I think what Jaden is trying to say is, if, for example, Dunk and Mings are linked to joining Arsenal, there might be, and for example, Chelsea or United are also in for Dunk and Mings. So obviously, I think Dunk and Mings will choose Chelsea or United over
I
Arsenal.
mean,
Yeah,
it's
Yes.
just
He's here.
No, but I think there are
Yeah,
several
fair.
factors involved there. Oh, fuck, I have 1%.
Yeah, I think for for Dunk and Mings to join Arsenal over teams that are in the Champions League, I think the recruitment needs to be very good, and I think they need to be encouraged by the manager and the club that they are forming a 5-year or a 6-year project where they are going to do this, and that is how they'll move forward. I feel they need to be
Arsenal
convinced
could
better.
be an attractive. Bro, the same thing I think is with Wolves also. When you all say that Wolves probably won't be able to reach that level because their players will leave for other clubs. Bro, the project attracts a lot of people.
Yeah, the
Like,
project
the
matters.
vision
Yeah.
of the club and what
Yeah, the
their-
vision of-
That's true, but
But
at
what
the
I
same
feel
time,
is
look at Leicester as well, right? After Leicester
Yeah.
did this, people left. I mean, obviously, you cannot expect Wolves. You probably how much they can push to third, fourth Champions League. Uske baad, players will automatically start leaving.
yeah, I
So
agree.
I
but
don't
they are
completely
getting-
agree with that. I feel like the classical notion of a top 6 is going to change in the coming few years. I actually
Yeah.
don't see Arsenal coming back to the top rapidly in a season or two. I actually see Leicester taking their place in the top 6 in the long run.
Wolves,
Yeah,
bro, Wolves,
that's
I
what my
think
question
Wolves-
is. Leicester
Wolves
will
can
probably
also have a
replace
decent
Arsenal
shout.
as the next top 6. Yeah, they have a decent shout.
Wolves is an amazing club to be at right now. An amazing manager. They
Yeah.
play good football,
Yeah.
and they actually play. They
Yeah.
play European football also. I feel
Yeah.
they can
Yeah,
even attract
they play.
further talent as opposed to Arsenal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And bro,
Yeah,
Wolves
they
is
can.
All credit to
investing
Wolves.
in their players. Their recruitment is good. Wolves is a great
Yeah.
club to be at.
Yeah,
And bro,
I mean,
and
I
even
think
historically, Wolves is a very good
I
club.
think-
That's what-
The question mark is when a Wolves player gets a big offer from a big club, will he take it or not?
Bro, he will take it, but Wolves
He
won't
might-
mind selling him either because they're gonna play hardball like Leicester. They're gonna sell a Maguire for 90, so they're
yeah,
gonna
and
sell
then
their
they'll
Raul Jimenez
reinvest
for-
in 2 or 3 other
and they'll
players.
reinvest
Yeah.
because as long
And
as you have a
whenever
good
there
coach
are
who rates
always-
good players.
There are always
Yeah,
bigger fish in the sea, bro. Even United players will go to Barca, to Madrid if they can. A lot of so Barca, Madrid is at the top. Everyone other than that, every other team, I think you have a chance of your players wanting to leave for these teams, bro. So,
Yeah. But there's a
yeah.
reason they don't leave, because they are convinced by the club that
Yeah.
their objectives will get accomplished.
So, do you all actually think Arsenal can get out of this mess?
See,
And
I
how
mean,
long do you think
as
it
we
can
go-
take to possibly get
to
out
sum
of
it
this
up, what I feel is that they need to get the recruitment right first of all. They need to get the who will fit Arteta's mentality, who will fit Arteta's game style. And if Arteta doesn't want the player, he should not have him at all, because then you're wasting money or wasting on it. Second of all, what I feel is they need players who have strong mentality, who after going a golden, bro, how many times have we seen Arsenal come back this season? Bro, only once. So we need strong.
Bro, they apparently they won 2-2 at Stamford Bridge. That's what they say.
So you need
Just because they were with 10 men.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you need players with strong mentality in the team, and probably the third one is to build on their youngsters. I mean, I feel they have a good set of young people.
Okay, let's end with what position do you think Arsenal will finish?
I feel they're going to finish right where they are, or probably lower. I don't see.
Yeah.
Even the current
Give me a
Arsenal
position
will-
now.
Yeah.
I think it'll be
they were
10th. Yeah.
10th. I think they'll finish 7th.
I think they'll
7th,
finish.
so above.
No, 8th. Chal, 8th.
I think they'll finish.
See their fixtures.
I think
Bro.
they'll finish.
8th.
I think they'll finish
But
10th.
Sheffield will go down.
I think they'll finish 9th or 10th. Not
7th.
lower than that.
7 gets Europa, na?
Seventh gets
fifth,
Europa,
sixth,
and I think
If the bans
No,
are
fifth,
held.
sixth, and seventh
Seven-
gets
no, seventh gets
via
it anyway.
qualification.
seventh gets it
via
anyway. This
qualification.
season, eighth might also get it because of City.
But eight will
Haan,
go
so
to
I feel
qualification.
Arsenal
We won't get
might
like
nick it towards Europa League. I think they need to.
I think they get Europa.
Given
To
their
be honest,
fixture
They
if-
need to, I think.
given
if
their
I were
fixture list, I'm not
Arteta-
optimistic at all.
Nah,
I
I
would-
don't.
Yeah,
I would
I'm not
completely-
optimistic. Look at the fixtures.
I feel like if I were Arteta, I would completely divert my attention towards Europa League and try winning it.
Bro,
Because that's a straight
no.
passage into Champions League.
Champions League.
They are out of the Europa
Bro,
League.
they're out of the Europa.
They're out though.
Oh,
They
no
lost
way.
to.
They lost
They
to
lost to
Olympiacos.
Olympiacos.
Right.
What I feel,
That is
How
also
did I
four.
forget that?
That's
ending
too
it up, I think the only criticism I have of Arteta is probably his game management. I mean, his substitutions haven't been the best.
Bro, he hasn't subbed on Martinelli for 2 games in a row. That's what
Yeah,
I'm saying.
yeah.
Arteta is to be
That is-
blamed a bit.
Bro, but the
Yeah.
thing is, you
So
never know what's going on in the background. Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
like,
even
Yeah.
Ozil isn't
he needs to-
playing. We
he needs to
actually don't know
settle
what's
what-
going on.
And
See,
bro,
I'll tell
even
you
the
what's
Luis
happening with
situation,
Arteta.
I think Arteta should have done something about it. I mean,
Yeah,
Tomorrow is the
yeah.
last day to sign the contracts.
so that's
Extension.
there should have been some clarity in terms of Luis Valla situation.
But Arteta is not responsible for contracts completely. It's down to the club and the
So-
board level also. No?
Obviously,
The
I
club
mean,
needs
with
to
the
back
Luis
him.
thing, it's obvious that probably he didn't want to continue. He didn't want Luis to continue. But given the situation that last game, obviously his defender got injured. That's why he had to bring him up. So I don't think so. Arteta wants Luis to continue.
Bro, but then if they don't offer Luis a contract, he's not going to play for the remainder of the season. And with Pablo
He's
Mari out as
either way
well.
not
Blessing.
playing. He's
It's a blessing.
It's. I think it's a positive for Arsenal.
Yeah,
Not to
But
Maybe they're
they
gonna
might,
play-
they might
No, but
They're
see,
going to
as
play.
much as people bash Luis for being a terrible defender, he can still be a useful member for the squad. If you give him the respect he deserves in terms of what he's won in his career, he can actually be a
I know.
useful player if he.
bro, the thing is,
I
what
mean,
Shastri is saying is right. He is still Arsenal's best defender, no matter how shitty
Yeah,
he
he
is.
is. But that
Yeah.
He is
best
actually-
is
Bro,
quite
this actually
worse.
gives you all
That's
a-
what he needs.
This gives you all a. I don't know how to say the word, but this actually shows the problems. This underlines Arsenal's defensive problems. I mean, if Luis is their best
I don't
defender-
personally like Luis. It's just that he's a liability sometimes. But he's like his career has been very good. Yeah, his career hasn't been bad at all.
It just went downhill at Arsenal.
Bro, even Danny Welbeck has won 2 Premier Leagues with United. But that doesn't mean that.
But bro,
No,
Luis
no,
has
no,
been
no.
central to winning
Gavin
titles.
Lewis
He's
has
not
been
a
an
squad
integral
player.
part of every team
Yeah.
that has gone on to win.
Yeah,
That's
Vinapra,
also
you can't say that
part
he's
of it.
not
You can't- I'm not
achieved
saying
anything in
that.
his life.
No, I'm not saying that he's bad. I'm just saying he needs to. There has to be a time where you own up to that you've been bad. I mean, there's no hiding away from that. So,
Bro, like to
He
be
did,
honest,
No. He
like
did
when
all-
Chelsea sold Luis, I was very happy. He was in fact not a
Same,
best
same
defender.
bro. I
But
was
Arsenal,
stunned. I
he
was
is the
stunned.
best defender. Yeah, but Arsenal, he is the best defender. So you got to keep him. I mean, if it were
Yeah,
Chelsea, I would
but-
sell him
I'm all
100%.
for. I'm just highlighting the fact that if Luis is Arsenal's best defender, then they have bigger fish to fry in the transfer market. Given what I said, they have to extend his contract so that they try and finish whatever on a high in the.
Bro, I don't think Bellerin is also that great.
Bellerin.
anymore.
No, he's never been good. I don't.
Dude,
think.
he's
He's
been
been
bad
poor
since
for
the
quite
2 years.
On a lighter
So you
note, I
can't-
actually think Bellerin
Yeah.
will plant 3,000 trees though.
He's gonna end up planting
Ever.
zero, bro. Zero.
Ever.
Bro, that.
I hope. Bro,
I
does
think
this
at
mean
the
that
end of the
he's
season. That's,
if for every win he's planting trees, doesn't mean for every win he's destroying trees. Deforestation.
Maybe.
But no,
Maybe.
I think we have seen. I mean, he's been exposed. He's been out of position. I don't know where to stop. I mean, if we talk about this, I think we can talk about it forever.
Okay. Now,
Sure, let's wrap it.
please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. What do you think of this podcast? What do you think we should be covering? And probably even get in your predictions as well. But for now, goodbye. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all.
bye, guys. All the best.